Hello everyone. In this module, we will learn about articles. Articles a and the. So let's begin. There are two kinds of articles. Indefinite article and definite article. Indefinite articles are a and an, and definite article is the. So, first we will talk about indefinite articles, that is a and an. Indefinite articles are used to express the most common aspect of a noun. They are always put in front of singular nouns. Specific things are never used with indefinite articles. For example, a bag, an elephant. So, here you can see a bag. Bag is a singular noun. An elephant. Elephant is a singular noun. Let us look at some more examples of these two articles. A car, a tree, an egg, an ice cream. Now we will understand the use of the article a. We use the indefinite article a in front of a noun beginning with a consonant. For example, a baby, a computer. Here, baby B is a consonant and computer C is also a consonant. A university, a uniform. Children, we also use a in front of a vowel u when it is pronounced like y-o-u. So finally, a is used in front of the letter y and y is the consonant. That's why we have used a university, a uniform, a year, a yak. Let us look at some more examples. A mango, a clock, a toy. So children, a is used before nouns that start with consonant sound. Children, now we will discuss about the use of the article an. We use the indefinite article an in front of a vowel. For example, an eraser, an orange. Here you can see E and O are vowels. An R, an honest man. Children, we also used an in front of the consonant H when it is voiceless. So, we have put an R because H is silent. An honest man. Again, H is silent. An owl. An arm. Remember children, the indefinite articles are never used with plural nouns. For example, an umbrella, an orange, an apple. Remember children, article an is used before nouns that start with vowel sound. So, now we will study about the definite article the. The is used with particular or specific nouns. It can be used before singular as well as plural nouns. It is used before the names of rivers, famous books, monuments, and directions. For example, the sun, the Taj Mahal, the Ganga, the Gita, the north, The Tribune. In these examples, you can see that the article the is used with all specific nouns like sun, Taj Mahal, Ganga, Gita, North and Tribune. Let us see the another use of this article the. The is used when the same noun is used again in a sentence. Let us look at some more examples. I saw a girl. The girl was wearing a green shirt. She ordered a red dress. The dress was on sale. I bought an umbrella. The umbrella was very big. I love watching monkeys. The monkeys in the cage are very naughty. A boy entered into the class. The boy started crying. In the first example, I saw a girl. It can be any girl. That's why we have put a. But in the second part of the sentence, the girl was wearing a green shirt. Here we are talking about the particular girl who was wearing a green shirt. In the second sentence, she ordered a red dress. In the first part of the sentence, it can be any dress. But in the second part of the sentence, the is used because it is that dress which was on sale. I bought an umbrella. The umbrella was very big. In the first part of the sentence, it can be any umbrella, but in the second part of the sentence, it is the umbrella which was very big. I love watching monkeys. It can be any monkeys, but in the second part of the sentence, the monkeys in the cage are very naughty. A boy entered into the class. It can be any boy. That's why we have put a. But in the second part of the sentence, the boy started crying. The same boy who entered into the class started crying. Let us do an activity related to articles. Use the correct article with these nouns. Here you can see some pictures and we have to put correct articles with these pictures. In the first picture, there is a rat, the moon, an ink pot, the earth, an igloo, a banana. So, I hope you have understood the concept of articles in this module. Thank you for watching.